Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The Big Debate, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about simple sentences. So, open up page number 35 and let's get started. So, we have already learned that a sentence begins with a subject. There are five main structures which we can use to make a simple sentence. One of the structures of a simple sentence is subject, verb, and adverbial. So, let's see what an adverbial is. An adverbial is a word or a group of words that modifies or explains something about the verb in a sentence. Verb and sentence. For example, Doha speaks softly. Here, softly is an adverbial because it is modifying or explaining that how Doha speaks, which is also modifying the complete sentence as well. Now you may take a moment and pause the video over here and read the rest of the examples for the better understanding of simple sentences. Once you are done with the reading of those sentences, let's come to an activity. What you have to do is you have to make a list of adverbials and use them in your sentences and write them on a loose sheet. I have chosen one word and made its sentence for you. Like, for example, the word is temporarily. It is an adverbial. And the sentence is, this pill will take away the pain temporarily. Similarly, make at least 5 sentences. First, make a list of the adverbials and then use them in the sentences.